Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start our new chapter from the book Honeydew. The name of the chapter is the Tsunami. Students, what do you mean by tsunami? That is the main question you have in your mind. A big disaster had happened in 2004, the day of a boxer day. Students, boxer day, it's not means the boxing जो करते हैं उनका day. Boxer day means on 25th December in England, people are giving boxes and everything to each another, like the way we are giving in the Diwali. So on the next day, on 26th December, they are going for a roaming. ठीक है, like we are doing in our Bestuvaras day and all. So they are going on 26th December. That day is known as a Boxer Day. So almost everyone from the England has gone out for a roaming, and they were on the beaches, they were on the resorts and all. So in 12 countries, yes, 12 countries, this thing had happened, destroyed more than 1,50,000 lives. Yes, students, the data as we have calculated, as we have the data is 1,50,000 people had lost their life in the tsunami which happened on 26 December 2004. A big disaster had happened. Fine. Here in this story, in this chapter, there is a real stories of a real heroes, how they have saved their lives, how they have survived in this tsunami and all. So first we will start from the Ignatius Katkal. This story is about Ignatius. He was a manager in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. I will tell you where the big disaster, like most of the disastrous thing had happened. Andaman Nicobar Island, in the archaeologists of Andaman Nicobar Island. Andaman Nicobar Island is a mixture of 100 islands, right? 100 islands are there in it. So it's a mixture of 100 islands. There are archaeology, as we are saying, to the Andaman Nicobar. Okay. In our India also, in Tamil Nadu coast, Odisha, Sri Lanka, okay, this thing had happened. Magnitude बढ़ गया अर्थ में, and thus because of that there was a earthquake in the sea. Why tsunami has happened? Tsunami is happening because there is a earthquake under the sea. So that's because of that the flowing water may arise and causes a tsunami. ठीक है? So story of Ignatius who is from the Kathakal in the Andaman Nicobar Island. ठीक है, he was the manager of a cooperative society. His wife woke up at 6 o'clock as she felt earthquake. She told to the Ignatius. First, Ignatius, what he had done, he has taken his television from the table and kept it down so that it should not be fall. ठीक है, then after they run towards the opposite direction. When the tremors become stopped, then after there was chaos and confusion everywhere because the rising water has started. ठीक है, 3 children he is having. 2 he has hand over to his father-in-law and 1 to his brother-in-law. He told them to go upper side. ठीक है, ऊपर साइड में जाएंगे तो पानी water will not come. So they all went to the upper side, but after that he has not seen his family except 3 children. They were saved because they went to the upper side of a town. ठीक है, after that there is a story of a Sanjeev. He was a policeman from the Kathakal itself. He serving into the Kathakal. ठीक है, वहाँ सर्व करता था वो. He has saved himself, his wife and his daughter, but he heard the sound of a wife of a cook, जो उनके गेस्ट हाउस में कुक था, उसकी आवाज सुनी. John, he went to save his wife life, but they both swept away. ठीक है, Thereafter 13 years old Meghna. This story is about a 13. This small girl has seen a lots of things, students. This is a very sadful atmosphere for this small girl. She has lost her parents, and even 77 more people she has seen to be washed away into the water. She was staying into the door of a wood of a door. Sorry, she was holding herself door with the door of a wood. ठीक है? Then she saw a helicopter more than 11 times, but helicopter had not seen it. At last, she died. Then after Almaz Javed, 10 years old girl, she is from the Port Blair. ठीक है? Her father has a petrol pump, and his mother has come. The family has come here for a vacations, right? She is from the Port Blair, and they come for a vacation into the beach. This girl has lost her family. ठीक है? Like he has his father, grandfather, uncle, aunties and mother. ठीक है? What happened actually? They all were running towards the upper side, but suddenly something hit the grandfather's head, and grandfather faint at the same moment. Father went to help his father, and they both swept away. A giant wave has come, and they both swept away. ठीक है? Then after उनके जो मम्मी थे और उनके आंटी थे, they were holding a coconut tree and calling her even to come over there. But what happened? The wave has uprooted the tree as well, and they also become swept away. Then after this small girl, you see students, this 10 years small girl was on a log of wood for 2 days, and she become faint. ठीक है? फेंट हो गई वो, and when she wake up, she was in Kamorta in the Port Blair, and she was in a shock. She was traumatized, and she did not speak a single word, क्योंकि उसने इतना सारा disaster होते, destructions होते she has watched. So just because of that she become traumatized. Then after a story of a brave girl, Tilly Smith. She was a 10-year-old girl, a British girl. They were from England, but they have come to the Indonesia and the Thailand on the Phuket beach to enjoy the vacation on December 26, 2004. They were on the beach. She has a father and a mother and a 7-year-old sister as well. ठीक है? Penny Smith, उनकी mother जो है, she has seen the water is going to be the sea is going to be small and the land is going to be big. It means she knows that something is about to be happen, and that the same thing Tilly has noticed that something is about to be happen because she has watched a video 2 weeks before in England when they were coming to the Indonesia for the vacation into the Thailand. ठीक है? She has watched how the things had happened. She has watched that thing. She was in the geography teacher has shown them the video of a tsunami which occurred in 1946. She has seen the video how the sea become small and the land is going to become large and the water will come in a rustly. ठीक है? Rustly, suddenly the water has come in a giant wave. ठीक है? So she has come to know about it, and she has saved lots of lives as she has screamed to everyone, run from the beaches. They all were run. They all have taken a rescue on the 3rd floor of a hotel. ठीक है? Resort के 3rd floor पे they all were there. They had taken a refuge over there, and when she went to the England and she has told about the incident that happened in the Thailand. ठीक है? Now the third thing has started about the sixth sense of animals. Students, as we know, animals are more sensible than us. How? They senses the thing very properly. They come to know the thing in a proper manner. वो हमसे ज़्यादा चीजें सेंस पहले कर लेते हैं. That same thing had happened when the tsunami was about to come. Animals were running towards the upper direction. Dogs were not going out. Animals were refusing to go out from their cages also. 1,50,000 people had died, but many less animals caresses has found. ठीक है, बहुत कम एनिमल्स के कैरेसेस मतलब डेड बॉडीज हैव फाउंड. ठीक है, only 2 buffaloes in the book it is mentioned, only the caresses of 2 water buffaloes had found, and rest even water animals were not ready to come out from their for the flying into the beach or into the water, because they were knowing, they have already sensed it that the earthquake जो है ना वो पहले से ही महसूस कर लेते हैं. Vibration of a earthquake they senses very properly, right? We don't know that they have a sixth sense or not, but the way they have protected themselves at this period of time, we will be confirmed that they senses the thing very properly. And beaches पे animals were on the beaches, but before the 1 hour of tsunami they have run from there. Just how, मतलब ये सोचने की बात है that because they have senses this thing very early. Then after there is a man from the Sri Lanka. He said that their dogs were every time ready to go out and roaming on the beaches, but on that day they were not ready to go out, and just because of my dogs my life is also saved. ठीक है, so here the disaster had happened. This is the very बोलते ना एक बहुत बुरी घटना हुई थी, which we can't express in our own words, because lots of people have lost their life, even dozen of countries have lost their people, and बहुत सारा नुकसान भी हुआ था students. So this is the thing that this chapter wants to introduce you, and that I have explained you as well. ठीक है, I hope you all have understood this properly. In our next lecture we will come with the next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.